Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to find all deleted apps on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store app. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. From the menu that appears, tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here, you'll see various options. Now go to the Manage tab at the top. This section allows you to view all the apps associated with your Google account. Step 3. Next, tap on this device to filter apps installed on your phone. Then choose the Not Installed option. This will show a complete list of apps that were once installed on your Samsung device but have been deleted or uninstalled. You can browse this list and reinstall any app you want by tapping the Install button next to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.